Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In my last lecture, I talked about complex numbers. Today, we are going to learn that we can write any complex number in the form of a plus iota b, where a and b are real numbers and iota is the imaginary unit. Now let us convert few complex numbers in the form of a plus iota b. Here we have complex number 5 iota into minus 3 by 5 iota. We can write it as, it is 5 into 3, that is 15. Iota into iota is iota square divided by 5. It's minus times, which is further equal to, it is 5 1s are 5, 3s are 15, so we get minus 3. Iota square is equal to minus 1. That is equal to 3 minus 3 into minus 1, that is equal to 3. Or we can write it as 3 plus 0 iota. So it is in the form of a plus iota b or b iota. That completes the question. Let us take one more complex number. Here we have complex number iota raised power 9 plus iota raised power 19. And we can write it as, now if we divide 9 by 4, we get 1 as remainder. So this is equal to iota raised power 1, that is equal to iota. Plus, here we have iota raised power 19. If we divide 19 by 4, we get 3 as remainder. So this is equal to iota raised power 3. Which is further equal to, it is iota plus iota raised power 3 is equal to minus iota. That is further equal to, it is iota plus minus is minus iota, which is equal to 0. So we can write it as 0 plus 0 iota. Thus, we write iota raised power 9 plus iota raised power 19 in the form of a plus b iota. Now we take one more complex number. Here we have complex number iota raised power minus 39, and we can write it as iota raised power 39 whole raised power minus 1, which is equal to, if we divide 39 by 4, we get 3 as remainder. So this is equal to iota raised power 3 whole raised power minus 1, which is further equal to iota raised power 3 is equal to minus iota. Raised power minus 1. Or we can write it as minus 1 by iota. Or multiplying numerator and denominator by iota, we get, it is minus iota divided by iota square, which is further equal to minus iota divided by iota square is equal to minus 1. Okay, that is further equal to, it is minus iota divided by minus 1, that is equal to iota. Or we can write it as 0 plus iota, or 1 iota, that is iota. Thus we write iota raised power minus 39 in the form of a plus iota b. Here a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. This complex number is purely imaginary. Now let's convert one more complex number in the form of a plus iota b. Here we have complex number 1 minus iota raised to power 4. We can write it as one minus iota square whole square. That is further equal to, it is a minus b whole square, so that is equal to a square, that is 1 square is 1, plus b square, that is iota square, minus 2ab, that is minus 2 into 1 into iota, that is minus 2 iota, whole raised to power 2, which is further equal to, it is 1, iota square is equal to minus 1, it is minus 2 iota, whole raised to power 2. Now plus 1 minus 1 cancels, so you get minus 2 iota whole raised to power 2, which is further equal to minus 2 square is 4, and we have iota square, that's further equal to, it is 4, iota square is equal to minus 1, which is equal to minus 4, or we can write it as minus 4 plus 0 iota, as 0 iota is equal to 0. Thus we write 1 minus iota raised to power 4 in the form of a plus b iota, where a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to 0. In this complex number, imaginary part is 0, so this is purely real. Now in my next lecture we will learn few more things about complex numbers. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.